Overdrafting with Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps required. Wells Fargo provides overdraft protection programs, allowing you to link another eligible account, such as a savings account or credit card, to your checking account. You may need to opt in for this service. With overdraft protection, if you make a transaction surpassing the available balance in your checking account, Wells Fargo may transfer funds from the linked account to cover it. Even if you lack sufficient funds and have opted into overdraft protection, Wells Fargo may still approve certain transactions but will charge an overdraft fee for each overdrafted transaction. The overdraft fees can vary depending on the bank's policies and your account type. Additionally, you may have the option to opt out of overdraft protection programs, in which case Wells Fargo will decline transactions exceeding the available balance instead of approving them and charging overdraft fees. Before deciding on overdraft protection, carefully evaluate whether it's suitable for your needs. While it can serve as a safety net for occasional overdrafts, relying on it regularly can lead to costly fees and financial strain. Before opting in, thoroughly review the terms and conditions provided by Wells Fargo, ensuring you understand the fees, limits, and consequences associated with overdrafting your account.